Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Can you believe it? We only have 3 more days in kindergarten. We have today, tomorrow, and Friday. And Friday's the last day of school. It's the 3-day countdown. Let's go ahead and look at some special things that we're going to be doing on this wonderful Wednesday. Are you ready? Show me that you were a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. June 9th, 2021. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. There are 3 days left in school. First, we will look back at the things about kindergarten. Then we will write more to next year's first grade teacher. Next, we will do review songs. Last, we will go to art class. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's look back at the message and we're going to talk about what we're going to be doing this morning during language arts on this 3-day countdown. And while we're doing that, I want you to help me find something because we're getting ready for first grade and I need your help finding punctuation marks. So before we reread, because that's what good readers do, that's when they read it again. Before we reread, let's go over the punctuation marks you're going to be searching for, okay? So we're going to be looking for periods. Let's make a little dot, do it. Remember, this goes at the end of a statement or telling sentence. You'll also see it in abbreviations for months, days, names. So we'll look for periods. We're also going to be looking for exclamation points, also called exclamation marks. Let's make it 3 times. Straight line down, dot. Straight line down, dot. One more time. Straight line down, dot. Now, if there are any question sentences, we will be finding question marks. Remember, curve it back, dot, curve it back, go down, space, dot, do it again. All right, and the last punctuation mark we'll be finding are commas. I know we oftentimes find commas in the date, after our greeting, and after our closing, before the signature part. Let's go ahead and search for some of these special things. Ready? June 9th, 2021. What did you see within the date right here? It is a comma. Let's circle it and then make it in the air. Just do a little comma. Remember, when you start the comma, you start at the bottom of the line and you curve just a little and then stop. It looks almost like a backwards C. Dear class family. Oh, I found another one. Did you see it? There's another comma. Today is Wednesday. Look at the end of this statement. It's also called a telling sentence. What's at the end right here? Do you know what that's called? It is a period. Let's make it and circle it. All right, there are 3 days left in school. That's a really exciting sentence, isn't it? Oh, what is this called? An exclamation point. Do you remember the other name for it besides exclamation point? It can also be referred to as an exclamation mark. Let's make it straight line down, dot. Remember, straight line down, do space, dot. Straight line down, dot. When you read that, it's a really exciting sentence. There are only 3 days left in school because it's the dun 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 3-day countdown. Let's look at the next telling sentence. First, we will look back at the things about kindergarten. Oh, we will, class family. We're going to look back at the different ideas that we brainstormed yesterday when we were thinking, about kindergarten and when we were sharing answers. And you remember when I wrote down all of the ideas? We're going to be using that list. Now, after the transitional word first, I noticed a comma. Did you see it too? If you did, go ahead and kiss your brain. At the end of this telling sentence, I noticed this punctuation mark. What's it called? A period. Let's make it just do a little dot. Remember, when you do a period, it rests on the bottom line. All right, then we will write more to next year's first grade teacher. I see a comma after then and a period at the end. So today, when we're continuing to write to our first grade teacher, I know that yesterday you were able to do the picture part, and today what we'll do is we'll be taking those ideas from our list and using the pattern sentence I like and writing a special letter to your first grade teacher. Remember, you will be using your paper. Started it yesterday. You have your crayons and your pencil. One of the other things I'd like you to use, class family, is your resource. You're going to have your alphabet chart, and remember, on the other side, you have the fast words list. Okay, so if you were online, make sure you get this resource to use also, so you know how to spell the fast words when you're writing your letter to your first grade teacher. And we'll also be using the word wall in class and online as a resource as well. Okay, so next we will do review songs. Oh, we will, and you know we love the review songs. We love pumping our brain with knowledge. So we'll be sharing some special things and moving and singing and dancing so we can get ready for first grade. I noticed a comma after next and a period at the end. Let's look at our last telling sentence. Last, we will go to art class. Oh, we will, class family. You're going to have so much fun today with Miss Allen. I know she is super excited to be able to share some time with you. So remember, at 10:20, you need to have your art supplies. You're going to need your paper, crayons, and pencil. Okay? Let's go ahead and circle that comma and period. Now, at the end, love Miss Joyner. Notice after love, we have a comma. We always have a comma after the closing. And then in my name, Miss Joyner, there's an abbreviation for Miss. And remember, names can have periods in them too, like the abbreviation Miss. Okay, class family, you're going to do an amazing job today. Be a great communicator all day long. When you listen, speak, and write, you know I'm so proud of you. It's the 3-day countdown. Let's have a fantastic day together. Get your fans ready. Fantastic.